Alright, welcome back everyone. Let's go ahead and let's make another money app, okay? And what I'm going to do is basically I'm going to delete most of this here, okay? So I'm going to delete everything in the function, and I've already downloaded this. So make sure you go ahead and go JSBin and then download it just so that you can save it, okay? I'm going to go ahead and delete all of this as well, okay? And the variables I can keep the same. What I'm going to do is I'm going to say the money that you have left is, I'm going to delete that as well. So we're going to actually make this really simple here. We're going to go taxes you owe. Okay, so what we can end up doing here is we're going to say this is your income, and we're going to get rid of this bank account business too. And what we're going to do is we're going to say basically we're going to add in the add income here, and this is my awesome function 2, so I'm actually going to change this to add income. Okay, of course we need to change this add income, and instead of my awesome function we're going to say calculate taxes. Okay, we're going to say calculate taxes. It's pretty simple. Okay, so what else do we need? So basically we have we can also get rid of this as well. So we can have income money and taxes. Okay, taxes are going to equal right now again. So every country is different. They tax everyone differently. So I'm just going to go ahead and pull out a number, and depending on where you are in the world, this may or may not be true. So I'm just going to say 20%. Now, if you don't know this, 20%, the way it works is that when you're calculating, you have to go 0 point and then 20%. But if you want to calculate how much taxes you pay, basically this is what you need to do. So when you say add the income, we're going to say income is going to be income money is going to be equal to income money plus, and I'm going to say $40,000. Okay, $40,000. Okay, and of course we need to go document dot get element by ID, and of course we need to put where is that? So the taxes income money. So it's going to be income. Okay. And I'm going to say inner HTML is going to be equal to income for the year space colon. Perfect. So income for the year, and we're going to say plus income money. Okay. And if we go and do this, there we go. We have the income for the money. And then the taxes that you owe, you're going to need to go income money times taxes. Okay. And then I'm just going to, then what you need to do is we need to print it to the screen. We're going to say document dot get element by ID, and we're going to say this one is I'm going to just actually change this to taxes, and I'm going to say taxes dot inner HTML equals taxes you O for the year, colon, number sign, and on top of this, we're going to say plus, and then brackets, income money minus, or sorry, times taxes. All right. So add income, and then I've made a small mistake somewhere in here. And income money times taxes. Okay. So what has gone wrong here? So as you can see here, if I calculate the income, we now have 40,000. And what I think we need to do is we need to put another variable, and this variable is going to be tax amount. Okay? And what we need to do is we need to go tax amount is equal to income money times taxes. And instead of this here, we're just going to go tax, so we don't need the brackets anymore, tax amount. Okay, let's click it, and there's still something issue here. I wonder if I spelled this wrong. So what is the issue? I'm just going to go ahead and comment this out. Now, I could in theory stop the, so it's not that. It's this. So I'm just going to say, So I'm just going to copy this here, and I'm going to paste it right in there. Still not working. That's why. Okay, so the idea is a little different. There we go. There we go. Simple enough. Now, I could have stopped the tutorial here, but I want to show you that problems happen all the time, and you have to just go back and fix it. So I probably won't do this again, but what I do want to do is I do want to show you that that does actually happen, okay? So the thing is that the ID in the class was different, okay? And I'm just going to actually put class equals taxes as well, because we need to change this to red, and money lost is now going to be dot taxes. Okay, and there we go. Okay, so now that we have this, okay, I'll see you guys in the next